Is your mouse causing you pain? At the end of your workday, does it feel like your hand has been stomped on by an elephant? Did you see an ergonomic mouse on YouTube and you want to make your own? So Play Conveyor had a fun idea to use Play-Doh to make a molded hand grip for their mouse, which they then 3D scanned and 3D printed to make a custom ergonomic mouse.
And I want to experience that myself. Test it. Is it more ergonomic? Does it make me better at video games? I need these answers. And I have a different approach that should be easier, faster, and just so happens to justify a purchase I made years ago. Low temperature thermoplastic beads.
Did you want to say anything else?
No, that's it.
This video is brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for all your website needs.
So all you need to make these work is some hot water, because these beads turn from solid plastic into like moldable goop, starting at 70 degrees Celsius.
Wait, it's like 70 in here.
70 degrees Celsius.
Oh, Celsius. Oh. I was like, how are they not melting?
No, at room temperature, these are solid. Like, they're really, really solid pieces of plastic when they re-solidify like this. The reason why they're chopped so fine is they melt a lot faster when they're in this bead-like form, because the water can surround them and heat them up really fast. 150F, I think that needs to be higher. 70 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. 158, it's really close.
Ooh.
Wow.
You think it's ready?
Let's check. Whoa, 160, 171. All right.
We overshot. Okay. It'll cool.
It'll cool. It'll be so cool.
So you've used this material to make tiny little things.
Yeah, tiny
little bits and
things.
bops.
Yeah.
But this is going to be more than we've ever done before.
Yes.
Like, this is going to be a large volume.
Oh, it's already gooping.
It's gooping.
Oh, it's already gooping. It's turning clear, which it's supposed to do.
Oh, it's satisfying. It's also very hard to see on camera.
Yeah. Ready to for me to pull it out?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah. That's why I'm glad I didn't boil it fully before.
Chopstick it out.
Oh my gosh, that makes it so much easier.
Whoa, that's a big log.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. Ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Oh my God.
Oh, yes. There it is. Look at how squishy it is. I'm gonna
great.
work out in the air bubbles.
It's literally plastic Play-Doh. Oh, warm, silly putty. Oh, this is great.
Isn't it great?
Yes. I'm gonna keep it warm with my hands.
So this is a wonderful, wonderful, really cool material. So I want it, oh, we're gonna need a lot more. Because I want it like down here, I want it up, I want it around, I want it everywhere.
Can we put that in the water to like keep it warm and moldable and then add more?
Let's just do this.
I use this kettle to make my tea, and you just pour microplastics into it.
Oh no! I'll clean it afterwards.
Why would you pour it back in?
Oh, we needed more water in there.
I can get more water from the sink.
I'm sorry. This is a very important thing, and it's so nice.
Okay, we're making more. Clock is ticking.
Yes. Oh, this is so fun. Look at that.
Wow. It's like you're preparing some ramen over there for me.
Yeah. I got it too hot. That's why it's sticking everywhere. It's really sticking to the cup a lot more this time because of how hot this is.
Yeah, we didn't measure the water temp this time.
Okay, more.
Oh my God.
I want a little bit more back here.
I'm giving it a little tail.
That's nice, that's nice.
It looks cozy, comfy.
I'm enjoying this quite a lot.
This is really something that Evan just wanted to do.
This is just something I wanted to do. 1000%, there's no excuses. It's just.
You just want it.
I just want it. And it's fun using all of these little bits of knowledge that I've collected of like, this fun tool exists, this fun tool exists, and I might be able to use it in this way.
Do you need any more support like right here?
I might try adding a little bit more in there.
Because it looks like your hand's kind of rolling off on the right side.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah,
You're right.
Like you don't want to have to actually work to use your hand at all.
Oh, you're right. Oh, do you ever just like put on a good pair of shoes and you're like, ah? That's what it's like, but for your hand.
Yeah. So what are your goals for the end of this?
Mainly comfort.
Okay.
I was joking about it making me better at playing games. I will test it later because I'm curious. But really, I want to reduce hand fatigue.
Yeah.
That's the primary thing.
It's interesting because it does look like it's going to be comfier, but it also looks like it's going to introduce a lot of drag.
Yeah. I might need to add some like felt to the bottom or something like that.
Yeah.
There are a few areas that I feel pretty good about, so I'm gonna solidify them some with my Instant Cool Spray.
Oh, I see it whitening in some areas.
There you go.
Cool.
Oh, it's nice and cold, and it's solidified. Feels good. It needs even more of an arc right here, actually.
Every time you think you're done,
I know.
you're not.
Until I am.
Until you are. You should add a little like detail like to a part that doesn't affect the grip. Like put a little E in there.
Oh yeah.
You know?
If I have some extra time.
Ooh, ooh, ah!
Yes. Oh.
We have to do this. It's the supervisor approved stamp.
Yes, let's do it. We'll do supervisor approved right here.
Just make sure it's not upside down. Now, is it blasphemous to do this without actually getting her approval?
We'll show it to her later and hope for the best.
Hope we didn't act preemptively.
Yeah. All right, we'll stick this right here. And while it still is moldable. Yes!
I can't,
yes.
I literally can't see anything. Did it?
It took.
Oh yeah, I see it. Barely, but I see it.
It'll show up eventually.
Does anything not feel supported? Physically, emotionally, spiritually?
I'm complete. I just hope it slides.
Yeah, me too. It's gonna be really annoying if it doesn't.
You know, it doesn't feel that bad to move.
Okay.
Honestly.
Once it's fully solidified, I think we'll get a better idea. Oh, it's stinky. Why is it so stinky? I thought it was just like compressed air.
I'm sorry.
Squarespace is a website builder, okay? Look at this. They have so many awesome templates. Tell me they're not cool. You can't. Look at all these payment methods. There's so many.
Guys, thanks for the ad submission, but why are we threatening the audience?
We're not. It's just the way the character speaks.
I feel like this is not the vibe we're going for.
We have another one if you'd like to see it.
Sure, let's see it. So Squarespace has years of experience. Like, they built their design intelligence tool from the ground up. It seamlessly integrates AI and guidance to help make your website easier. Like, really, they have...
Okay.
Why did you stop it?
You don't think that character seemed a bit distracted?
But it's fun, right?
Look, guys.
We have another one.
Okay, let's see it. You can choose any domain you want with Squarespace, but you probably won't be able to get squarespace.com. That was my best joke.
Okay, we know these were weird, but this last one is so good, so fun.
Brand safe, informative.
Okay, knowing you guys, this is probably gonna be the worst one yet. Go to squarespace.com/Evan and Katelyn for 10% off your first purchase. Or else.
Okay, please leave.
It looks pretty cool. Looks pretty solidified. It looks so weird.
You know what's so funny?
Huh.
If you tried to put your hand on this.
Let me try it. I mean, it's still actually pretty comfy for me. The main thing is like, look how small my thumb is compared to yours. You can see where your thumb ends.
Yeah.
Mine does not go that far.
No, but I can like rest, my fingers rest on these ridges right here.
Yeah.
The ridges are actually really nice.
I can actually see the shape of it a lot better now that it's solidified because
Yeah.
it's solid white. So I can see the ridges for your fingers and the space for your thumb.
It slides a lot better than I thought it might, but I'm still curious, can it be improved with some felt?
Okay. Is it?
Oh yeah,
I hear less drag.
yeah, that feels nice. That
Okay.
actually works.
That's awesome. That was really easy.
I can't believe this thing that we threw together in like a total of,
What, 30 minutes?
yeah, it feels great. It seems to work. Let's put it to the test. Before we modified the mouse, we actually established a baseline for how well it worked using an aim training simulator. Do 3 rounds of this and see if I improve at all. The simulators required fast and precise movements. And as I played, I realized my hand was getting pretty tired. My hand is already like kind of tiring. It's honestly a lot in my like clicky finger. So this could be a good comfort test too. Maybe I'm just being extra sensitive about it. Yeah, 82. Like I'll get into a flow every now and then. Oh no.
81. Okay, you're consistent though. That's good. That's good.
So wish me luck on beating these scores. She's ready for her moment.
What is this?
We added your stamp to it preemptively.
Do you approve? She's inspecting the stamp. Do you approve?
She turned her back on it.
Here, wait, she's coming back around. She's coming back around. Is that a head rub? You just put your face on it?
That's a rub. That's a rub.
Oh, that's a
That's
rub.
a rub.
That's a rub.
Confirmed.
That's a rub.
Confirmed.
You got approval. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Supervisor. Approved. Trying to actually use the ergonomic mouse, I immediately realized a huge issue. While it is really relaxing to hold, it's significantly heavier.
Well, you're not lifting it. Well, I guess you are moving it.
All
Maybe
right.
that's good. It'll. Maybe your wrist is gonna get super buff.
The performance has dropped significantly with that added felt. I think we need to take at least the front off. Removing the front felt seemed to fix that. Oh yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's better. But something was still off. Also, I'm realizing I hold it differently for different things. This is good for some things, but when I game, I angle it. But now this is getting in the way. Even though it was comfortable to rest my hand on the new mouse, it was way too heavy and felt awkward to move around.
Having a bit of a harder time moving it.
It's so slow. It's gripping the table. It's so heavy. And in terms of my test scores,
Wow, you got like half the score of the previous test.
they were bad. But
But it's custom molded.
it's custom molded.
How did it feel?
Slow and bad. I did worse on both simulators. Well, I went out to prove a point. And I'm proving the opposite. And by the end, I was having major doubts. The comfort gained from it being custom molded is counteracted by the fact that it takes more effort to move. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oof.
That doesn't help. That doesn't help.
Sorry. This is the worst one. But how's your wrist feeling?
Feels fine. Feels like a failure though. You know, as I hold this monstrosity of a mouse, I look to the mouse next to it and I hold it in my hand and it's way better. Katelyn tried to be encouraging, but then I asked her to try it.
I understand that it's not the best for gaming, but are you not going to use it just like as like your daily mouse?
I think that this might be just an art piece that
You're
joins
not-
the pile of stuff we've made.
You're not even gonna try. What if it's good for like longevity?
It's too heavy. It's so heavy. Try it.
Okay. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad.
It's so bad. It's so bad.
There's so much friction, and it's so heavy.
It's poop.
Oh. Yeah, it's kind of bad.